Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Tevin Lewis, aka Sniper Lou, and I'm back at it again with another video. This is another sneaker unboxing, so be excited, be ready. As always, you know where to follow me at on Instagram and on Twitter, Sniper Lou, bam. And you can also follow me on Apply Pressure University. Episode 1 is out now of Season 2. It's pretty good. It's pretty good recording. I meant to record it on the camera, but I don't have the right proper space to record it. But sooner or later I will. I'll probably start maybe episode 2. See if I can get a nice little setup here for you guys to pay attention. But enough with the talking, guys. I'm going to get into this unboxing real quick because I am super excited. Like, really excited. Shout out to my boy, Kanye. If you know me, you know who that is. He got this shoe. It's an early access, early access. Not super early, but early enough for you guys on YouTube to review and to, like I said, see what it is in hand, see if you like it, see if you don't like it, see if you want to get it, if you don't want to get it. But I'm pretty sure 10 out of 10 of you people that are watching this is going to get this shoe, specifically this shoe. And if you don't get it, I know you're going to be upset. But before I get into the unboxing, leave a comment. Tell me what you think the shoe is. If you get it right, we're going to do something. We're going to give away one free APU shirt, all right, of your choice. Like I said, go to the Apply Pressure University Instagram and you will see the shirts. But let's get into it. As you see the Nike tape, we're going to get rid of this box. Fuck this box. This box is trash. Trash can. Get out of here. Yeah. I'm pretty sure by now you guys can guess what this is. This shoe is going to be one of the most sought after shoes probably of 2021. Hands down. I'm trying to get me a pair. Well, I already have a pair coming, but I didn't get one early, so that kind of pissed me off. But still, anyway, regardless, this shoe right here has to be like, if I open this shoe and I review it, because I haven't seen it yet. He opened the shoe, he looked at it. I haven't opened it yet. If it's not what I want it to be, I'm going to be really upset. But I doubt it. So let's get into it. You already know, Jordan 1 classic Nike box with the black box, red writing. Throw that away. Oh my God, these are so beautiful. Jesus Christ. Yeah, you know what that is. That is the Hyper Royal ones. Yes, it is. And this is an official Nike. Y'all seen the tape. This is official Nike. Oh my God, yo. These shoes are fucking beautiful. Like, I did the video on the UNC ones, and I told you guys that I was expecting a lot from this. And yo, this right here, this shoe, yeah, this is the best shoe of 2021. I'm gonna say it right now. This right here is the best shoe of this year. Like, just, can you see that? I hope this comes out really HD. Like, if you're not watching this video in 1080p, stop the video real quick and make sure your settings are on 1080p so you can see this shoe. This shoe is fucking immaculate. Like, look at the detail, look at the stitching. This shoe came out so perfect that I don't even know if you can wear these. Like, obviously you gotta wear them. I'm gonna wear my pair. But, like, where would you wear this to? Like, you wouldn't wear this to a pool party, obviously, because it's gonna get wet. Anyway, man, let me box this up real quick, man. Get rid of that shit. Bro, these shoes right here, let me just pick up one. So, already the leather is premium as fuck. Alright, none of that bullshit like leather they put on all the general releases. Alright? As you can see, the bottom, classic Jordan 1. Obviously, classic Jordan 1, right? Alright. The midsole white with a hint of gray at the bottom. Alright, the leather up here, and yep, this is leather right here. No, this is suede actually on the Nike. On the Nike swoosh, this is suede. Alright, and you got your classic Jordan wingman sign, right? And your classic Nike tongue. Whatever, man, I'm not really like into the details or whatever. I just like copping good shoes, and I like putting a fit together and wearing them and being like one of the freshest motherfuckers out right now. wherever I'm at, whatever event I'm at. And these right here is a must cop. 10 out of 10. I can't even wait till the end of the video to say that. 10 out of 10 for sure. This material right here is almost like a jean, like a really like worn out old jeans, like back in the day, the overalls, like a farmer's man overall. It's not, but obviously to compare the material and the stitching, the blue stitching going on with the upper on the blue right here, if you can see it. And then you got the gray on the gray Nike swoosh. And then you got the white everywhere else. Man, these right here, this is a bad boy right here. So, like I said, man, the leather is premium, very premium leather. All right. The upper right here, this upper is very nice. You know, this material is like a jean color. I hope you guys can see that in the camera. I hope you can see the great details about it. I think personally for me, when I get my pair, I like the white laces. It comes with the royal blue lace, and lately I've been lacing up one sneaker side with like the royal blue or like the purple or like the red for the ones, and I leave the other one white or black, whatever it is. I think for these I may just lace them all up blue, just because that's gonna be different. And you guys on my YouTube watching this right now, do not bite my swag. Do not bite my swag. All right, because I am gonna lace these up all blue and see what it looks like. I can't lace this pair up because it's not mine, but my pair, I'm definitely gonna come back with the video, and I'm capping. I'm not gonna wear them for a month and tell you how they feel, because I don't want to wear them for a month. That would be just crazy. I do like, personally, I like when you wear ones, right, and then you get the ones, you wear them out a little bit. They got a little bit of scuff. They got a little bit of like, you know, the leather starts, you know, trying to, not chipping away, but it starts like crumbling a little bit. I like that look. It means that like I'm actually wearing the sneaker, and the sneaker just looks doper to me that way. When it comes out of the box, yeah, it's clean. Like, don't get me wrong, guys. Like I said already, this shit is fucking super like wet. Like, this is like grandma cookies wet, right? This shit right here, this is not something you just wear and then you fuck up. Like, you wear these and you wear these properly. Like any of my other ones, and you've seen them on other videos, they all are just like kind of tattered, kind of worn out. To me, that aesthetic looks better than straight out of the box, because I mean, like, straight out of the box, it just looks like, you know, brand new and like never worn it. It just looks bad. Like, it looks like, all right, this guy, to me it looks like, oh, okay, this guy cares more about the shoe than actually rocking it. Like, I like rocking my kicks, and I like making them look good. So once I decide to wear a shoe, I'm going to keep wearing that shoe repeatedly. So like now I have 5 shoes in rotation. I'll come back and make another video about that if you guys want. Leave a comment if you do. Anyway, but like I was saying, you know, I'll keep 5 good pair of shoes in rotation, and I'll wear them for that like month. And then next month I'll switch it out. But I'm not going to wear a shoe one time and then not wear it again. You know what I mean? Because it just doesn't make sense, you know? The only thing I don't like is the yellowing of shoes. That'd be one thing that I don't like. But, like I said, the icy bottoms are clean. So, they're going to get yellow regardless, and I'm going to wear them motherfucking regardless. But, let me know down below, guys. I'm going to end this video because, you know, like I said before, I don't want to talk too much. I just want you guys to see the goddamn sneaker. And like I said, if you can buy it if you want, you can not buy it if you don't want to. I'm just here to show you some goddamn shoes. So, I'm going to sign off with that one, guys. You guys have a nice fucking weekend. I hope you guys cop this shoe. I hope you guys get lucky, man. I really do. This is like something that I personally need in my collection. You guys can let me know down below what you guys think. 10 out of 10 for me. Some may even say not, but to me, man. And I missed out on the other shoes that look just like this, the green one. I think it's called the Turbo Greens. And I slept because I thought the Turbo Greens were not that great. But my boy Omari, he actually has a pair of the Turbo Greens, and I seen him wear it, and I was like, damn, I slept. Don't sleep on these shoes. If you can get a pair, get a pair. Like, literally. And you know me. I tell you this on every video. I don't overpay for any sneaker. But this sneaker right here, yeah, I'm gonna have to drop a little pretty penny on this one, just because this is fire. Well, I already, you know, whatever. Anyway, so guys, I'm signing off, man. Thanks a lot. One, peace, love, be happy. Gang, gang, we out.